Let's continue exploring Doha. Next up, 21 High Street. This is the ultimate outdoor shopping destination, hub for luxury and elegance. And just beside 21 High Street, dito natin makikita yung Katara Cultural Village. This is a delight place to visit with its large outdoor amphitheater, restaurants, art galleries, and expensive shops. With numerous art galleries, workshops, exhibition areas, and performance arenas, Katara is an artist's haven. Now, let's check the Katara Mosque. Katara Mosque, sometimes referred to as the Blue Mosque of Katara. It is a very intricate and beautiful mosque which is located in Katara Cultural Village. It is one of the most beautiful masjids in Qatar. And as you can see guys, they have the free masjid tour. So if you are interested to know more about the mosque, you can ask them and sasamahan nila kayo sa loob. Plus, bibigyan nila kayo ng idea and ng knowledge about the mosque. And syempre, you can also ask them about Islam. So ayan, before kayong pumasok doon sa pinaka-mosque nila, meron kayong dadaanan na room kung saan bibigyan kayo ng abaya and ng tarha para covered yung body nyo and covered yung hair nyo pagpasok sa loob. And by the way guys, don't worry kasi tuturuan nila kayong maglagay or sila yung maglalagay ng tarha. So marunong naman ako maglagay but you know, char-char lang. Yan, parang ma-feel ko na medyo turista ang peg natin dito sa Qatar. So nagpalagay ako and nagpaturo ako kung paano maglagay ng tarha.
Some people put pins or whatever,
okay.
but
So it won't go down.
No, but generally, you see, these materials are really nice. So if it comes out, it won't be completely full.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
The Golden Masjid. It is quite popular for its architecture and location. It stands as a major landmark in the Katara Cultural Village. The Golden Masjid, or the Golden Mosque in Qatar, is one of the most beautifully designed cultural attractions that reflects Ottoman architecture. Ayan, ang dami talagang mapupuntahan sa Katara Cultural Village. It's a beautiful blend of traditional Islamic architecture and modern amenities. After experiencing and exploring Qatari culture in Katara Cultural Village, now let's head to the Katara Tower or the Crescent Tower. Katara Tower, also referred to as the Crescent Tower Lusail and Katara Hospitality Tower. To the left stands the Raffles, featuring only suites, a rooftop bar, and a private cinema. To the right is the Fairmont with 362 luxury rooms, an outdoor private pool, and a spectacular view of the Persian Gulf. This is actually a nice place para mag-chill. Oh, see, tignan nyo naman yung husband ko. Nahiga-higa na. Our next stop, Place Vendôme Mall. This is an extravagant mall inspired by classic French architecture. The 4-floored open-concept mall houses high-end and mid-range stores, including every global fashion brand. Yung mall pala nila dito is meron din silang pa-fountain show. So, yung fountain show nila is every hour. So, pwede kayong manood while chilling and while eating sa mga alfresco nila. See ya! Alis na kami. Thank you, Doha. We're so happy. Let's go. We're leaving na. And we're gonna see Gajel. Nakasakay na din sila ng Kuwait. Thank you so much for those who help us. And nag-assist ka na, Mama. Thank you so much. At least, na-lessen na yung aming problem and stress, right? Okay. Ito na ang Uncle of Manila. Uncle of Doha. Love, parehas na naman tayo. Ginaya mo na naman ako. Oh, twinning na naman kami. Anyway, guys. Yan. Ano lang yan. Cover lang. Bye. Tito of Manila. We're going. Wow. Sir.
Picture mo ako.
Picture pa. Bye, Doha. Love. So far, so good. Good. Nag-enjoy ka sa tour ni Irish Travel Agency. Ayan, guys. Paalis na kami ng Doha. So far, so good. And mamimiss namin yung ganito katahimik na lugar. Sobrang chill and kalmado, promise. So far, ito yung pinaka, yung Gulf country na napuntahan natin na kalmado. So far, ito. Then next is Bahrain. Pero mas tahimik to. Mas tahimik to. For me. Mas sobrang tahimik to. Anyway, ayun guys. I'll see you soon in the airport. Bye! Ito yung ng standby. Maghihintay ka lang talaga last minute. 10:10. Hindi naman actually siya last minute kasi 10:40 I think ang boarding time eh. So, 10:10, ito check-in na nila kami. So far, okay naman ang load. Na-check ko naman. Ayan. We are excited to see Gadirito and Mother Dia. Oh, bagay na bagay yung suotan mo sa airport ng Hamad ah. Maganda naman tambayan. Ngayon guys, so far ito yung nagustuhan kong airport dito sa Middle East kasi ang daming tambayan, ang daming gagawin, ang dami talagang gagawin. Tsaka pala guys, may transit visa na sila. Nag-offer sila ng free lumabas dito. Transit visa yung tawag. Pwede kang lumabas, gumala-gala dito sa Qatar kapag more than 8 hours yung iyong transit dito, layover sa Qatar. Yan, just so you know. We are now ready to board. Thank you so much sa ground staff na nagbigay sa amin ng seat ng medyo unahan. Thank you. Grabe ka. Yan. Let's go in. 21 Alpha. Window seat. Thank you, Qatar. Thank you so much. Love Albain. Ayun, ayun na. Hi! Hi! Hi, G! How are you? How are you? How are you? We miss you, nak. We miss you. Mami, sige. Mami Irish. Nakatawa na si R. Ayun. Tabi ng pharmacy. Ano, we don't have the car.
Happy Mother's Day!
Thank you, nak. Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day!
Thank you, nak. Mami Irish. Where are you?
Let me show you her. You have a new hair?
Aba nang binahin.